Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice white color, and this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, we got a tow hitch, backup camera, we do get a bed camera up there as well with a nice tailgate step, the nice Lightning logo and lights, with a nice black gripped running board with a side view camera, turn light indicated and spotlight indicated. You of course do get a place to plug in your lovely vehicle, lock it into place, all that jazz. And moving to the front, we do get that customary LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega-powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the little lip right there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of storage. You do get your storage underneath as well with your mobile power cord hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Your little escape if you get stuck in here. You do get a nice light as well. Even has little decals for golf clubs, so just an idea of what you can store in here. You got your Power Onboard right here. Pretty nice. You can turn it on and off. And to close, all you have to do, hit this button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior with floor mats. You do get cup holders, little storage cubby as well, rear vents, and some USB-Cs, and 120 volt, and we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is pretty handy for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front with your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 83 kilometers. We do get this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, and your distance empty on a battery, so we have roughly around 354 kilometers until we have to charge again. Pretty handy. My view, trip and field, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Taking a look beside me now, we do have our gear select. That is collapsible. You got some storage, cup holders, more storage here with USB-C. I'm going to bring that back up. We have a nice little coin slot with your Protrailer assist, engine start stop, dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here, and you got your storage in your glove compartment as per usual, with tons of storage. Looking here, we have our hazards, traction, and a 360 view of our vehicle. And you can click into here if it wants to load and show you different camera angles. We're going to check our bed camera. Pretty handy so you can keep your eyes on the goods. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone. Navigation, which is pretty handy so you don't get lost, of course. Fave apps such as messaging, email, Power Onboard, zone lighting, hotspot, drive modes, charge settings, all that jazz. And any apps you may download, you can add here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You do get a public charging app, which is pretty handy. Just locate your nearest charger for you. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. I'm going to hit our drive modes, which we do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and one pedal drive. So basically that is you're just using the gas pedal to brake and drive, which is pretty interesting, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG08434, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.